Everyone is talking about DeepSeek and they say it's smarter than ChatGPT. It's open source and free. So today, as a QA, we are going to test both these tools, DeepSeek here and ChatGPT here, and we will see which one is the best for QA engineers. No matter if it is manual testing, writing the test cases, or automation testing or AI automation testing, we will use three prompts to find out which tool is best for QA engineers. So today we will see DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. So let's start. We will give them prompts, same prompts. So we will analyze the results as a QA engineer to find out what tool, which one is giving the most accurate and proper response for the QA engineers, which is more powerful. So let's get started. First of all, we will give this our first prompt. It is about writing the test cases for a banking app money transfer feature. So let's see which one is giving us the best results here. So here I have pasted the same prompt in both ChatGPT and DeepSeek. You see now. Let's see how it is showing. Now this is showing two responses. ChatGPT, first thing, I don't like it is hard for me to find out which response is better, because in that case I will have to read both the responses, which is not a good thing for me. So what I will do is I will just choose this one. So here it is creating the test cases, and ChatGPT DeepSeek is also creating the test cases here. So let's see how which one is the better. So I will say I will prefer this response. Now let's check the response of ChatGPT. So assumption and scope, money transfer. First, it is explaining the feature which we are talking about. Then it is showing us the functional test cases. It is saying test case ID, test case, and steps and expected result. And then it is showing in input validation test cases. In the input validation test cases, it is showing us the proper four test cases here. Then it is showing negative test cases, and finally it is showing other test cases, edge cases, security test cases, and totally it creates 47 test cases. And then it is asking us to do these things. So it is also showing the usability and UX test cases, performance and reliability, then security test cases, and edge boundary test cases, authentication and authorization. So pretty much it covers everything here. Now let's see how we will find the result of DeepSeek. Now DeepSeek gave us a very long answer. That is also fine. So this is directly giving us positive happy path scenarios. So ChatGPT explained here about the feature. So this is very good because here it haven't explained the feature what it was assuming when creating the test cases, because I haven't told anything about it. So it is showing us success internal transfer. So this is the first very critical test case, that if transfer is done correctly or not. So this is also showing it success transfer with valid details. So first test case for both of them is very good and very critical. It is showing the perfect steps, 8 steps here, and it is showing the steps in very generic way: enter valid beneficiary amount and confirm. So this is not a proper thing set steps, but here you see it is showing us all the steps: login, navigate to transfer, select internal transfer. So this is very good. The expected result is also very good explained. Now, if I go to the next one, successful internal transfer, and it is showing transfer between accounts. Now, it is showing a very small details about test case, steps, and expected result. But here you see it is showing us the preconditions. It is showing us the very detailed test steps, and expected result like this. So I like the DeepSeek result here instead of ChatGPT, because these steps are very generic test cases, steps in any test cases, and these might not be useful here. So I don't think I will use ChatGPT here, because this is giving us very proper things, and here it is giving us in table format, which is better. It is not giving us in table format, but that don't matter, because we can ask it to give us this in table format. So what matters is it is giving all the details we need as a QA. So I will go with the DeepSeek for creating test cases here. If we explain everything to DeepSeek, then it will explain all the test cases in more better and more better way. So next, let's give this one to both of the tool. So first is, I found a bug where the app crashes when I upload a 100 MB file. Write a professional JIRA bug report for developers. Now, this is one of the thing which many interviewers will ask you, that how you will report the bug as a QA to the developers. So let's see which one is making it better. So it is giving us title, chat GPT, issue type, priority, severity, and environment. So environment is very important. Then description, the application crashes when a user attempt to upload a file of. So the description is also fine. Preconditions here and steps to reproduce, and the expected result, actual result, and reproducibility, impact, attachments, notes, and it's pretty much giving all the things here. So it is also finding the attachments. Now let's see how it gives us. So it is showing us the summary, where that is good, then title, description, then steps to reproduce are pretty much very well uh, explained and formatted here. If we see at the this one, you see steps to reproduce are only 5 steps, with very like login with credentials, navigate to file upload screen. Here it is showing us proper navigate to transfers, new transfers, fill in all required transfer details, amount, recipient, etc. Then tap on add as a attachment. So this is giving us very accurate steps, and this is giving us very generic steps. So you see, this is not good. Now, expected result is also explained very well here in DeepSeek, but here in expected result is not explained well. Actual result is also explained very well here. Actual result is only showing one line. Additional information, test data variation. So additional information is very mandatory here. So file type tested, this one, smaller file, threshold. So everything is explained. Device and operating system, then additional observations, impact analysis. So it is showing us the impact here, but here it is giving us very detailed view with as user impact, business impact, security impact, frequency. You see, this is very good. Now root cause hypothesis for dev team. So it is also giving the suggestions to developers, what could be the root cause. So this is not given in chat gpt. So DeepSeek is giving us very detailed everything: root cause hypothesis, evidence, related issues, labels, and acceptance criteria, notes for QA, and Jira fields. You see, it is giving us all the information we need, and a developer will 100% be able to reproduce this issue without any intervention of QA engineers. So for this prompt, I will again give 10 by 10 to DeepSeek, but 10 by 7 to 7 by 10 to ChatGPT. So DeepSeek wins again here. So this is very amazing. DeepSeek is winning here for 2 prompts. Now let's go for the third prompt, which is writing a playwright Selenium script to log into a website, and then let's see which one will write the better script. So this is DeepSeek. Now this is ChatGPT, and now we will find out which one is writing better code here for us, and which one we should use. So here in the chat gpt it says option 1 playwright javascript, and option 2 selenium java. And so the thing is, we have clearly mentioned that playwright Selenium script. So it has given us playwright Selenium. So let's see on Selenium Java. So it is starting with the main and then try and catch. It is giving us the command like login here, verify title, and then it is good. Now here it is showing us the recommended solution here, and Selenium solution Python. This is good. This is better in everything. So in the DeepSeek, we can see that it is giving us all the details we need. For example, if I go for Python, it is showing us very detailed comments here. Comments are very detailed. Then every comment, and then it is giving all step by step details as well as the steps here separated. You see, it gave us very short and clean thing, but here it is explaining everything as well. So I will go out for this. It is printing everything here to find out reporting. So it is also giving us the reporting, edit the reporting. This is pretty fine. I haven't asked them for add the report, but you see clearly DeepSeek is adding the reporting as well. Then it is also adding the invalid credentials login, and then it is also telling us how we can run this code. It is giving us the instruction to run this code. So this is very good and very amazing. It gives us everything. So this one is Java. If we compare this Java and this one, you see it is giving us steps, very detailed comments. Then it is giving us the comparison and recommendation, which one is faster, which one we should use. So in every way, DeepSeek is winner today. I think for the QA engineers, DeepSeek is better than ChatGPT. So let's go with DeepSeek as a QA engineers instead of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also very good in many things, but we have to provide very detailed instructions to ChatGPT. So for DeepSeeks, we can give very smaller instructions and we can get very useful and impactful results. So the winner for the today's video is DeepSeek. Thank you for watching the video.